You get an umbrella. You get an umbrella.
WCTV's Great Umbrella Giveaway. Download the WCTV News app or go to the contest page at WCTV.tv.
We'll announce 2 winners every week on Eyewitness News at 5. Stay dry.
Sponsored by Pro Styles Roofing. Time now for First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Mike McCall.
Welcome back and happy Tuesday, everybody. A slow-moving cold front. It might be barely moving along, but it's going to stay in basically the same place for about another day, and then it'll finally start to move on out. And when that happens, it'll clear all this out of here, which means we're probably going to have to deal with this through tomorrow night and into Thursday morning, especially over our eastern counties. But for a lot of us, tomorrow morning might be the last little bit of rain that we get. Tonight's, it's still out there, but certainly the heavier stuff is gone. Now, the Storm Prediction Center still has most of our area in this low-end risk, a marginal one at 1 out of 5. Now, we did see a couple of fast-moving, strong thunderstorms earlier. I haven't seen anything remotely to that strength lately, but overnight into tomorrow morning and then to tomorrow afternoon, there still could be a stray thunderstorm that could be strong or even briefly severe, and then tomorrow that kind of moves down over the peninsula. So what's been going on? The bigger view here, a lot of rainfall, but look how everything is quickly moving from southwest to northeast. These red arrows are the winds in the upper levels. When it's from the southwest like that, it's pretty tough to get a front to make much progress. It's moving, but again, just barely so. Check out the radar, because while we had some pretty active showers and a few thunderstorms earlier, this first wave of energy is already kind of starting to stall. South Georgia, the storm that exits the screen over here on the right, that one started out down over parts of Gadsden County and then kind of came up through parts of South Georgia, and then there was another one that developed near Moultrie. They're moving 60 to 65 miles per hour, but all past tense. Now we just have some of these other showers. Maybe could get a stray rumble of thunder. Did see some lightning about an hour ago along Highway 90 there in Jackson County, but that cell is weakening over parts of Seminole County. Then this is the little boundary. Such as it is, that's the front. Now, there's a more noticeable difference the farther west you go. But speaking of that, remember that upper level wind flow? Look at the new showers already starting to develop out here toward Panama City. That's the kind of stuff that I expect to see late tonight and overnight. So for the evening hours, it'll be some scattered showers, maybe 1 or 2, could be briefly strong with some gusty winds, but most of these will be over southwest Georgia and the western half of the Big Bend. That's throughout 11 o'clock and midnight. So again, not a big deal. But then overnight, we start to see more of that new development. So by 3 or 4 a.m., we have a better chance of seeing some showers and a few storms. These should get enough of a push to reach our eastern counties by about mid-morning. Farther west, that might be the last little bit of rain you get. Now, the front is still in the area, so there's still a chance for a few afternoon showers, but the rain chances drop just about 30% in the afternoon. And then tomorrow night into Thursday morning, here's the last little bit of energy, which is mostly over our far eastern counties. And then after that, you will clear out too, and we'll all enjoy increasing amounts of sunshine by Thursday afternoon. Rainfall amounts will widely vary. We still have the chance for a couple of thunderstorms thrown in there, but should average less than an inch over western areas, but as much as 2 to 3 inches over our eastern counties. Now, because the potential is there for at least some heavy rainfall, that's the flood watch that you see right here, issued by the National Weather Service. Again, it's not likely, but it is possible we could see some minor flooding in a few spots. In the meantime, it's still mild and breezy and cloudy throughout a good part of the Big Bend in South Georgia. Look behind the front, though. It's only 61 in Mariana, but it's still 78 in Homerville with these southerly breezes. Now, while the winds are not as strong, we're still seeing some gusts, 20 to 25 miles per hour, but the winds will shift tomorrow. So by tomorrow morning, even some 50s over our western counties. Then in the afternoon, actually a pretty nice day temperature-wise in the mid-70s. Here's your cold air with the winter stuff still ongoing. It's still snowing like crazy across parts of the upper Midwest. Well, we're not going to really tap much of that, but as all this moves out, we will get drier air, and there will be a nice enough shot of some cool air. I think you'll notice it by Friday and Saturday mornings. On the water tomorrow, better conditions. Southerly winds becoming northeast, a little more like it, 7 to 12 knots. Seas can still take a while to calm down, though. Showers are still likely tonight, especially overnight into tomorrow morning. Then it becomes mostly cloudy and mild, so a lower rain chance after tomorrow morning. And then Thursday, our eastern counties have those morning showers. And then look what happens Friday morning, 43. Saturday morning, 45. And Easter Sunday, go from 53 up to 82 and dry for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.